Business Bulletin. Thousands from the Abashlali-based Mjondolo marched to the Durban City Hall to put an end to all violence and brutal land evictions. The Durban University of Technology sports team said that they are ready for the University Games.
And we spoke to the youth of today regarding their feelings on how they are making a difference in society.
Good day, I'm Carissa Mons.
And I'm Megan Martin, and you're watching Journalism Iziko News. Thousands of people from Abashlali-based Mjondolo marched from Curry's Fountain to the Durban City Hall to hand over a memorandum to Mayor Iziko.
Their demands were restoration for their dignity, an end to all brutal and violent evictions, housing and dignity for all. Our on-field reporter, Kunal Naidu, has more.
We're currently on Leopold Street, where the over 7,000 shack dwellers are striking the City Hall to hand over a memorandum as they are unsatisfied with the treatment they're getting in regards to their houses.
Many of the protesters said that the government did not keep to their promises.
They don't have the houses, they're giving us empty promises. Housing, RTP, and all of the things. The corruption is too high.
On arrival at Durban City Hall, frustration mounted as they did not want anyone but the mayor herself to pick up the memorandum.
The mayor has not prepared to come and see us, and the MEC for cooperative governance, because we wanted those councillors answer to the cooperative governance MEC. But they are not here. They're not prepared to come and receive the memorandum. So we wonder why, because we gave a request last month. So this is it goes back to what we are saying, that as shack dwellers, we do not see, we are not as human beings. We do not count in society. That's why they are not here.
Eventually, after trying to go through a police barricade, a representative from the MEC of Corporate Governance came to pick up the memorandum.
Kunal Naidu, Journalism Iziko, Durban.
The Durban University of Technology sports teams have left to participate in the University Sports South Africa tournament. Elizabeth Gunele caught up with DUT's hockey teams during the final practice.
Both the men's and ladies' teams had their final preparation at the Queensmead Stadium in Andilo.
I think we have a pretty good side, probably one of the best sides we've probably ever had. We are very disappointed we got relegated from E-Section last season. With the sides that we're playing against, I reckon we should be favourites and we'll probably live up to the tag, but we're still going to have to play our best hockey.
To be honest, what I expect is competition. I feel like everyone is prepared. Everyone wants to win. Everyone is training hard. All the school universities are training hard. So obviously, everyone is there with one goal. So it just depends on who wants it more.
The tournament will be hosted at Wits University and will run for the duration of 5 days.
We came, we saw, and we conquered, they say. This is Elizabeth Gunene for Iziko News.
And to end off, we spoke to the youth of today regarding their feelings on Youth Month.
I am the youth of today because I am born free, so I choose to live free.
I'm taking full advantage of the freedom that was fought for.
Yeah, I'm with the new kids. We all believe in freedom.
From drugs, free from anything that's gonna put me back in life.
I'm creative, I'm driven, and I'm ambitious for my age, yeah.
I'm crazy, I'm fun, I'm loud, I'm ambitious, and I actually consider myself as a future leader, so...
I make people laugh and play guitar.
I believe in education for the future. I believe that our Earth and our future generations to come is based on education.
And peace and just togetherness.
And yeah, I'm making a difference in my society because I am an entrepreneur.
I'm making a difference by giving back as much as I can.
How am I making a difference in society?
I come from a very poor society, so like I see a lot of children that are hungry and stuff like that, and if I have something to give, I give.
And I think I'm making a difference by building confidence amongst my friends.
I do a lot of charity work with my church. I visit orphanages and stuff like that.
I'm a musician, so like music, I guess, is for everyone.
There's not enough jobs out there for all of us, so I think as a youth, taking up that initiative is very important for me, and yeah, that's what I do.
That's all we have time for today.
Catch us next time for your news, sports and entertainment headlines.
Thank you for tuning in. I'm Carissa Mons.
And I'm David Martin.
Goodbye.